Hello there and welcome to another one of these 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Many of my students at advanced or proficiency level are also English teachers themselves. And yesterday I was chatting to a new student of mine who told me she was also a teacher. She said she'd been teaching for about 10 years, mostly kids or very low-level classes. And as a result, she kind of felt like she wasn't progressing very much. Her English wasn't really getting that much better. She didn't really feel like she was going anywhere at work. She wasn't kind of moving forward. Basically, she felt like she was stuck in a rut, or she was just in a rut. If you're in a rut, or you're stuck in a rut, or you feel like you're stuck in a bit of a rut, basically you're too fixed in one type of job, or one activity, or one way of doing things, one method. And as a result, you get a bit stale, you get a bit bored, and you feel the need to change. We often use it to talk about work. So you might say, after 15 years here, I feel like I'm stuck in a bit of a rut. I'm not really going anywhere. I probably need to change jobs. I've been doing this job too long. I'm in a rut. I'm basically just going through the motions day after day after day. It's also something we use when talking about relationships, where the initial thrill has gone, things have maybe gone a bit stale between you, you've started taking each other for granted, and you feel like your relationship is stuck in a bit of a rut. I've also heard people use it about just regular repeated activities. So you might complain about where you go every summer holiday. You might say, we have this timeshare on this little place on the beach down in the south of the country, and we basically just go to the same place every summer. Don't get me wrong, it's fine, but I'm a bit bored of it. I feel like we're stuck in a bit of a rut. We need some new ideas, and maybe we should break out and go and explore some other places. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, with your students, with your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use stuck in a bit of a rut.